Robotic process automation technology has been helping companies to speed up their work, make processes more efficient and allow workers to focus on higher value work. The bots have been used for a variety of tasks, including data collection, data analysis and tracking employee availability. Let's have a look on top 5 industry applications of RPA. The retail industry involves lots of processes that are prime for automation with RPA. In e-commerce, for example, companies can use RPA to manage constantly changing orders, shipping statuses and updating customers when their items have been processed all the way through to expected delivery. In addition, RPA can be used to great effect in retail measurement. In spite of recent digital innovations, the banking sector is still known for its lengthy processes around information input and exchange. This makes banking ideal territory for RPA implementation. In client-facing banking, RPA can be used to confirm appointments with customers, pull up their information from CRM systems, and, using machine learning algorithms, suggest which financial products are most likely to be of interest to them. It can also be revolutionary in processes such as loan applications and approval, drastically cutting the time it takes for clients to receive a decision on their request. Lengthy, multi-step claims processes and document-heavy workflows make the insurance industry a prime use case for RPA. Whether it is issuing policies or renewals, underwriting, claims processing, or even just managing end-of-month reports, a host of information from different sources must be compiled and sorted for the majority of operations in this industry. With the help of a robot-powered automation tool, organizations can reduce bill of materials errors, refine inventory management and take advantage of automation to connect legacy systems. All back-end tasks that are time-consuming but are one of the main drivers of profitability like customer support and administration can be efficiently managed while keeping the labor hours and cost low. By using RPA, adapting and modifying the manufacturing operations as and when the industry regulations, compliance measures and standards change is much easier and smooth, minus errors. RPA in healthcare can help automate several complex and time-consuming tasks for payers, hospitals and health systems, and long-term care facilities while scaling down the required resources. These tasks can be in the areas of financial transactions, claims administration, claims denial management, and pre-service business processes. Managing a health plan can get expensive due to administrative functions like claims adjudication, authorizations and coordination of provider services. RPA platforms can automate these processes and help you bring down costs and improve provider-member interactions. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video. And do subscribe to our channel to get more such videos.